Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix black screen in Roblox. This issue usually happens due to corrupted cache files, browser data, or broken Roblox installation files. First, press the Windows and R keys on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. In the Run tab, search for App Data and click OK. From here, go to the local folder, then search for the Temp folder and open it. Locate your Roblox folder, select it, right-click, and delete it. Next, open your web browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, go to Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. Go to Third-Party Cookies. Scroll down until you see All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, search for Roblox and hit Enter. If you see any Roblox data, delete all instances. Once done, restart your browser and try Roblox again. If the issue still continues, go to your Windows search bar and search for Settings. Open Settings and go to Apps. Go to Installed Apps and search for Roblox. If you find Roblox, click the three dots and choose Uninstall. After uninstalling, go back to your browser and search for Roblox Download. Click on Download Roblox and install it from the official website. After reinstalling, launch Roblox again and check if the black screen issue is fixed. That's it. You've learned how to fix Roblox black screen or freezing by clearing cache files, deleting browser data, and reinstalling Roblox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.